Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you had a lovely Thanksgiving as I did. In today's video, I'm going to be making a creamy Cajun pasta. So this is the seasoning I'm going to be using. It's really hot, so you can use the other one that's not as hot. So I'm adding some oil to a pan. Here I have some red peppers and onions. One red pepper and one yellow onion diced. So I'm going to cook these down and then add some garlic. Now I'm adding the mushrooms to the pan. I'm adding some pepper and garlic powder to the mushroom. I almost forgot to add the garlic, so I'm chopping up 3 cloves of garlic. For the sauce, I'm going to be using unsweetened almond milk, coconut milk, some of this quick mixing flour to thicken it, pepper garlic powder, and this seasoning, Slap Your Mama seasoning. And it's really spicy. This is the other one. It's not as spicy. It's like a mild flavor, but there's not a lot left, so I'm going to use the other one. Also some paprika. And I'm going to make up measurements as I go because I don't really measure things, so bear with me. I'm going to add about about 1.5 cups of almond milk. So this is a 1/2 cup of coconut milk, and the flame is on medium-low. I'm just going to stir this. So this is a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of black pepper. Oh, it's a lot. This is a tablespoon of the Slap Your Mama seasoning. I'm going to put all the measurements in the description box, so no worries. Now I'm going to take some of the peppers and onions, just like this much, and add it into here. Some paprika. It's like a teaspoon of paprika. Now I'm going to add some of the mixing flour. And you want to whisk it as you add it. Just until it starts to thicken up. Now I'm going to let it cook down for 5 minutes. So the sauce is cooking. I'm going to let it cook for 5 minutes on medium low, and then we'll see how it comes out. I also cooked some bowtie noodles. You can use whatever noodles you want. I like the bowtie ones when it comes to creamy pastas. And now I'm gonna add the sauce. I'm adding more garlic powder to it. It needs a bit more flavor. And pepper. I'm also going to add more of the seasoning, Slappy Mama seasoning. Look at this. That's good. It reminds me of the Louisiana chicken pasta from the Cheesecake Factory. That creamy, spicy pasta. Hold on, be right back. I just remembered I have vegan parm. See, I go veggie. This would be so good on it. You can even add this to the sauce. That just took it to the next level. You don't need heavy cream to make stuff like this. All you need is coconut milk, almond milk, and some mixing flour. Well, thank you for watching. You can follow me at Nom Nom to Fitness on Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you in my next video.